Hello everyone. If you've ever had a hard time finding graham crackers with no honey, this one's for you. Let's get baking. Scale out the flour. I prefer whole wheat flour for this recipe, but all-purpose works too. Add a bit of salt and the baking soda. Add the cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger powder. Then finally the sugar. Mix the dry ingredients together and make a little well for the wet ingredients. Add the non-dairy milk, vanilla extract, and vegetable oil. Drizzle in the molasses, then mix everything together. It's a very dry mixture, so feel free to knead with your hands if it's easier. Turn out the dough onto a silicone baking sheet. Press the dough down to about 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters, doing your best to keep a rectangular shape. If you'd like to use a rolling pin, add a bit of flour to the dough to prevent sticking. You'll have to press the dough back together in between rolling. Once the dough is thin enough, use a straight edge and a knife to cut the dough into a rectangle. Be sure to cut down only halfway through the dough. Continue to cut the dough into your desired portions. Finally, transfer the dough onto a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 14 to 15 minutes. Let the dough cool completely before breaking apart. If some of the cookie crumbles, save it and make it into a cheesecake crust. Link for the cheesecake above and below. I like these cookies just fine on their own, but of course they taste great with some marshmallows and chocolate. Enjoy these however you like, and thank you for watching.